and welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this big update. The new variant of corona in the country, Omicron, is spreading at 3 times the speed of this original virus. The first case of infection from the new variant was found in India on 2 December, but in the just 19 days, the number of people infected with it increased to 200. In contrast, it took 60 days to get 200 cases of infection with the original coronavirus, and in this sense, the speed rate of Omicron is 318% compared to the original virus. While Omicron infected an average of 10.5 people were day during this period. Only 3.3 people per day were infected with the original virus during the first 2 months. The first case of corona infection in the country was registered on 30 January in the year 2020. After this, on April 1, 2020, the number of corona infected increased to 200 significantly. The first case of Omicron was found in the South Africa. Since then, it has spread it about 100 countries. This is the reason why various appearances are being expressed in a view of its rapid spread in India. Omicron has spread to 16 states and union territories of the country. So far, 236 people have been infected by it, out of which 106 people have been cured. Maharashtra has the highest number of 65 cases, while Delhi is second with 64 cases from Omicron. 24 new cases have been registered in Telangana, 19 in Karnataka, 21 in Rajasthan, and 15 in Kerala. So that's it from us in this latest update. Thank you for your time.